Hi everybody, this is Shara from Hope Physical Therapy and Wellness, and we just wanted to kind of reach out to our community and offer some videos to give you guys some physical therapy advice and ideas to help your bodies feel better during this pandemic. So look out for various topics of videos that we're posting because it's all easy things that you can do at home. So a lot of us have reduced work hours, or you may be working from home now. You may be sitting at the table with the kids a little bit more working on schoolwork. So, there's the possibility of decreased activity level. So with increased sitting, there are a few things that can happen to your body as far as muscles shortening and tightening, and sometimes over time this can cause some pain. So we want to help you prevent that. So sitting can tighten your hip flexors, can tighten your diaphragm and abdominals in the front, can tighten the front of your neck muscles, your chest muscles. So there's an easy exercise that you can do at home. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and that is the foam roll program. So the foam roll that we recommend is the OPTP brand. So I'm going to scan down to this guy. Let's see. Okay, so it's called the Pro Roller from OPTP. We usually recommend folks get this foam roller from Relax the Back store over on Woodman, and they are open by appointment. So if you give them a call and tell them you want to pop in the store and buy a foam roller, they will come by and open up for you and let you shop. There is a foam roll that we specifically love, and it's the Blue Marble foam roller because it has some give to it. It's not rock hard. Laying on a foam roller that's rock hard after a while sometimes can make some things sore. So they have two firmness options for the foam roller, the blue one. There's one that's a little bit more firm and one that's less firm, so you can just try out and see which one you like best, but we usually recommend the more firm one unless you have really bad back problems. So in this next portion of the video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the foam roll at home. Alright, so you take your marble foam roller and you lay it on the floor. You can also do this on your bed if you feel like getting on and off from the floor is difficult if you have a firm enough bed. So you're going to lay top of your head to tailbone, so you don't want anything hanging off. Your knees are going to be bent with your feet flat because this is going to help you balance. So typically with sitting, our shoulders and trunk are kind of rounded forward. So laying on the foam roller helps mobilize your whole spine and stretch your pec muscles, open your abdominals, helps with breathing. So all you do in this position is palms up towards the ceiling. You start off with your arms in a T position. So you'll feel a pretty good stretch across your chest. And you want to start off with just about 2 minutes, because if you do this for the full 10 when you first start off, you'll be pretty sore afterwards. I know this doesn't seem like a heavy-duty stretch, but it's pretty powerful. So start off with about 2 minutes, and then you're going to work your way up to laying on this 10 minutes every day. You can do it twice a day if you want, but this is especially good after you've been sitting for a bit. You can also do different hand positions, so the higher you go, you're stretching different portions of the pec muscle. So if you feel like you're a little tighter in this position, just move in this position and let gravity pull you. Just relax. Because we're also stretching nerves, if you get tingly, just come down for a minute and take a break until the tingles go away, because you want to stretch that slowly and then come back into your position. So basically, this is a great time to relax and practice some breathing, some deep breaths. That's our therapy dog that you hear barking in the background. And just take this time to kind of relax and maybe, do a little breathing. So to get off, the easiest way is just to roll over onto the ground like this and push your way up. Alrighty, so if you have any questions about the foam roll program or where to go to get your foam roll, just reach out to us. and we will be happy to answer any questions. We hope you all stay healthy and take care, and God bless.